Okay, we're switching here to the intraday chart, 15-minute ESZ08. So you can see what exactly I'm talking about here. This here is for 11/9. So that's Sunday. Had this gap. We'll come here Monday, and you look here, 618 retrace. Look at it line up. Overbought on our slow stochastics. Crossover on our MACD. Cross on the ADX DMI with increasing selling pressure. Downtrend is rising. And we're at resistance here at the 960 area. Failure here. Cross of the 5 and 20 EMA. So low entry, low risk trade. We're short here at 962. And look what happens. Never had a chance to get stopped out. Just running and running and running and gave up the gains. Just gave it up, gave it to us. Wanted us to have it. That's 50 points from 6:15, 6:30. If you're up that early, I get up pretty early. But you can wait on it. Could have waited. Could have waited till 8:30. Could have waited till 9. Could have waited till 9:30. However you wanted to do it. You just got confirmation all in here. The prices are going lower. So, but we'll say you didn't get in till right in here, 950. You still got about 40 points. That's a good day. Had another little bounce, retracement up, sell off to a new low, another bounce, failure to make a new high, another sell off, but didn't make a new low. And then look what we have here. Getting a stochastic cross. Positive momentum divergence on the MACD. But even once we make this lower high, but then you also notice you get a trend line break. So you should be looking to get long if you're gonna do anything. I know it may not seem like much, but you get long here on that stochastic cross, that gives you 20 points. Very close to 20 points. We'll say 15 points. That's most people's daily goal. Actually exceeds most day traders' daily goal. 15 ES points per day. 10 contracts. $7,500 a day. 5 contracts. $3,750 a day. 2 contracts would have you at almost $750 per day with just 2 contracts and 15 ES points per day. So we're not gonna cry about that. But look what happens here. Back up to the fib level, almost at 930, and we're overbought. Lower high on the stochastics. MACD cross. Another cross with the DMI ADX. Everything's telling you time to go short again. Lower high, negative divergence on this slow stochastics, and you get a cross coming out of overbought conditions. Right at resistance. Short, well placed stop, and let it ride. So it goes from 930 down to 880. That's a lot of money. So as you can see, these 15-minute charts are doing very well. keeping us in there as a day trader. Draw this trend line here. Get us 2-3 touches. Bam, there she goes. Trend line here. And as you'll notice, get a trend line break here, and look what you have here. With this fib at 880 area, 882, and this trend line here, look what we have. A descending triangle. We'll extend this line. Then we had a breakout at the end of the day. Up into resistance. As of this video. So we could possibly, and we're overbought currently, but thin trading volume, so we're not worried about it. We're just analyzing the trade. But we could hopefully come down 890, make a double bottom here, higher low from here, and could take off, back test this broken trend line. We'll give it a shot and see what happens. And that's it for today.